Okay guys, today in this video I'm going to show you something very simple. It's some yearly maintenance for part-time RVers, probably twice a year. You should do this for full-time RVers, but it's replacing the anode rod in your water heater. Alright, so we have an 1 1/16 socket, or 1/2 inch drive ratchet. We have the replacement anode, and just if you don't have anything but metric, this is a 27mm. It fits it as well. And we have some Teflon to put on the threads. Now I have some WD-40, and what we're going to do with that is just put a little bit on our electrical terminals and anything we see corroding, just to reduce some of the corrosion inside the area. So we have the water heater now exposed. This is the anode rod, this here. I also pull this out every year when it gets very cold, just so that I'm sure that the tank is empty as well, just to free up any possibility of any water freezing inside my water heater. Just generally looking, I'm looking at my igniter cable. It looks good. Don't see any real corrosion anywhere. Relief valve, a little bit of rust up around it. Nothing's really been leaking. So we're just going to go ahead and pull this rod out, look at it, and replace it. So you can see where it's starting to eat away at the anode rod. The purpose of an anode is to have the corrosion here and not in our tanks. So this is a good example of about a 1 year. So we're going to put our new one in. Squeezing Teflon out on the threads. You could use Teflon tape if you want. I always start them by hand so that you don't cross thread. Snug. That's it. And while I'm in here, I'm going to spray a little bit on our electrical terminals of WD-40. Some up on the rusty area there, maybe there. No reason, just help prevent some corrosion. And just for good measure, I'll go ahead and just shake my terminals. That way, if there's any corrosion there, it'll kind of seat them better. And that's really it. Simple video.